What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We have the 07 STI here, finally ready for a nice drive with all the new stuff that we just recently did. You know, we got the new Indy 500 tires. We are on the nice Fortune Auto coilovers with some Swift springs. She does have, you know, the white line front and rear sway bars, new wheel bearings, stuff like that. So it's definitely time we give you guys a nice, you know, true POV of this thing. I'll give you guys a nice honest review about how it feels on the Fortune Autos. And yeah, let's get into it. I'll definitely be starting that thing up soon, guys. This thing's definitely going to be going to get the fender. So remember, stay tuned to the channel. But we'll be reviving that thing soon. She's literally dead right now. But let's get a cold start of this thing for you guys and get this thing going. Oh, I love this interior. Single tip, NVIDIA callus downpipe. But those are the DVA rotors, guys. We do have our Fortunes up there. You probably can't see them, but they're sitting over there. So let's give you guys a POV of this thing. Alright, guys, she's just starting to get up to operating temp here, so we'll stop pulling out. Now she is pretty low, so I obviously take it easy on some of the bumpier streets, but it feels absolutely amazing on the bumps, guys. Massive shout out to Fortune Auto. Definitely an amazing suspension. If you know you guys are out there debating the coilover, it's worth the money, guys. Go for it. It rides like pretty much better than OEM, to be honest. Take it easy while she warms up. But like, even just hitting bumps, we have her on, like, you know, a medium setting right now for the dampening. It was a little too soft at first, so I did adjust it already and I made it a little bit harder, and it definitely helped. But especially having the front limp on and being this low, I've already noticed I scraped the lip a little bit, so I just got to be careful. Feels absolutely awesome. We do have the DBA rotors with the new pads. Like I did mention in the beginning of the video, she's on the Indy 500s. It's a pretty aggressive summer tire. Like she hugs, guys. This thing hugs. It hugs awesome. Feels great, absolutely amazing. Moving at 80. The tires feel nice. Wheels nice and straight, guys. Even with doing the trailing arms, those feel nice. Super reactive, the steering wheel, with the white line sway bars, as you guys could see on that turn. It almost just wants to like really eat the turn. guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What a difference between the coilovers, the sway bars, even the wheel bearing. I mean, it was so hard to even really focus on anything else when you could just hear grinding and stuff like that. And that was the problem we were having. But she's driving so smooth now, guys. Even hitting those bumps. It's so forgiving. These coilovers are definitely worth the money. Ooh, a little bit of tire rub there. A little low. I'll have to make a video, guys, comparing the generations, the VA and the GD, on how they drive. I'll do a POV in both of them, and I'll do a nice comparison video, because it is a big difference, man. This thing it's so nimble, it's so reactive, it feels so nice. She's definitely ready for some more power, that's for sure. This thing picks up, man. Wow, that feels awesome, guys. That feels awesome. That feels awesome. Oh, a little bit of rub there. Alright guys, we had to put the camera down because there was a cop in front of us, so we couldn't really, you know, give it the beans. Or really doing nothing. So we're back in the city now. We're gonna try to do a little bit of you know, like back roads and stuff like that. But this thing feels awesome, guys. Next video is definitely gonna be we gotta have to take the front bumper apart, and we'll bring this thing to platinum collision so she can get repainted, get the fender repainted. We're gonna do a few other things I'll show you guys in that video. But thing handles like a machine, guys. Bit of brake squeal there. Oh yes, that's freaking awesome. I miss driving these things. It's been too long, guys. It feels freaking awesome. Betsy. Hatch. Had to do the old Subi wave. once we get this thing back, I'm definitely gonna do a tranny flush, and I want to do a coolant flush. I'll do videos on both of those. Yeah, the brakes are very reactive, guys. Very, very reactive. This thing's just popping everywhere. Pops on the downshifts. Oh my gosh. Just takes the turns like nothing, guys. So just a little backstory about the coils. They weren't even brand new. I found an awesome deal on Facebook Marketplace. So I think I drove about like 45 minutes, almost an hour to pick them up. And they blew my mind. They ride like an absolute dream. It is my first time trying out Fortune Autos because the 18 STI is on bags, and then we have the wife's STI and an H&R spring right now, which I'll definitely end up changing soon. But what a deal, guys. What a snag. I can only imagine what it'd be feeling like if they were absolutely brand new, because like I said, they are used, but they really don't even feel used. They feel like they're absolutely mint, man. They're driving better than OEM, like I mentioned before earlier in the video. Oh, look at that thing. That's sick. I don't know if you guys caught that. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! And then handles so nice. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know about you, but I think this thing's ready for a motor and to do a rotated setup, man. So good, guys. So good. I really should put some water in that intercooler sprayer in the trunk and actually use it after a pull like that. Woo! Oh yeah, guys. Definitely a come up. Fortune Auto coilovers, whiteline sway bars. Definitely on the more aggressive side, but ride's absolutely amazing. We do get a little bit of rub in the front because we are pretty low. this road has like bumps, and it doesn't even bang. Like for an aggressive spring, the Swift spring, it doesn't even bang. I mean, that one was a bit like pretty aggressive bump, and obviously I'm super low. Beat that guy on. This thing's gonna just eat this corner. Oh yeah, that feels awesome. Ooh, that's some burp. That was some rub. Whew. Little low in the front. Alright guys, remember, if you're liking all the content and you're liking the channel, smash that like button, do it all up, subscribe. Subi fam out, baby. Oh, this thing feels nice.